How to change the appearance of cookie banner. Firstly, go to seersco.com, click on Login. Add your credentials and then sign in, then click on Cookie Consent. Now select your domain and go to Customize tab. Click on Visuals. You can change your banner settings from here. Firstly, we have modes, which is light, dark, and if you click on Customize, it will take you down here. Click on each box to change the color. We have different range of colors here. Move back up. We have different display styles, banner, model, and tooltip. Here's the preview. You can click on it, and it will show you how your banner look at your website. We have different positions, like tooltip has top left, top right, and bottom right. If you click on banner, we have top hanging, and bottom hanging. Next, we have layouts. If you choose that layout, click on preview, your banner will look like this. And if you want this one, your banner will show in center and preference center will be same. Next, we have regulation configuration. We have two types of banners, GDPR and do not sell. If the GDPR toggle is on, then you can edit your GDPR banner's appearance. And if you turn on do not sell, then you can edit your banner's appearance here. In GDPR, if we have reject button, turn this on to stay compliant. Show badge. If you turn this on, let me show you how it look like. This is how your badge will look like. If you click on it, your banner will appear and you can change your consent according to your requirements. Next, we have banner timeout. Your banner will disappear after the time. Cookie details. You can turn it on if you want to show cookie details. It will show in preference center. You can see the cookies here. Show powered by Seers. You have the option to turn it on and off. Next, we have different fonts. You can choose which one go according to your theme and font size. Next, we have buttons. You can choose from which one you want, default, flat, rounded, and stroke. You can see it in preview. Round button and stroke, it will look like this. Last, we have the option of logo. You can use the default logo and you can use your own logo by uploading it here and click on Save Changes.